For over 90 years being one of the industry leaders in chip handling and filtration solutions, Mayfran International is pleased to announce a new addition to our AT Cyclonic Separator solutions. The AT Mobile Separator is a flexible product with the same cyclonic separation results as our side stream package, but with the added advantage of being able to move between machines. Mayfran's AT Mobile Separator removes a high percentage of chips and sludge forming superfines produced in machining operations. As a secondary filter, the AT cleaner is rated to clean down to 10 micron nominal, with many years of proven success. The AT Mobile Separator utilizes a marine duty pump to handle dirty coolant and particulate to an external sludge bin for easy cleanup and removal. The added flush nozzles continuously suspend and funnel particulate towards the suction inlet hose for better cleaning results. By reducing maintenance downtime, coolant waste, and labor costs of frequent tank cleanout, the AT Mobile Separator offers a cost-effective solution for facilities, delivering long-term and proven savings. Its easy hookup and operating design makes startup a breeze to keep you moving when it matters most. For more information, please visit www.mayfran.com or contact your local sales representative.